For the continuous probability function f of x is equal to f of x is defined as k into x square into e power of minus x when x is greater than or equal to 0. Then find capital K, mean and variance. Okay, here PDF is defined as f of x is equal to capital K into x e power of minus lambda x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and lambda is positive real value. Okay, and defined to be 0 otherwise elsewhere. Okay, now we need to find out the value of capital K. Okay, we will use the concept that is the total probability is always equals to 1. Therefore we know that integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is always equals to 1. Total probability is always equals to 1. Now we need to separate this integration about 0, that is integral minus infinity to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Okay, but within this limit 0 and minus infinity, okay, f of x is defined to be 0, that is 0 plus, and when x is greater than 0 means x lies in between 0 and infinity. Okay, and defined as function is defined as k into x into e power of minus lambda x when x is greater than 0 to infinity capital K into x into e power of minus lambda x dx is equal to 1. Okay, K is constant, 0 to infinity x into e power of minus lambda x dx. Okay, we need to use integration by parts formula, UV form. K into u means x. Here integral of e power of minus lambda x by minus lambda minus of integral of e power of minus lambda x by minus lambda. Now derivative of x dx as per the UV form. Okay, we need to apply limits, upper and lower limits. Okay, now k into minus x e power of minus lambda x by lambda, minus into minus plus e power of minus lambda x dx. Here lambda is constant, therefore 1 by lambda into e power of minus lambda x dx, 0 to infinity. Now this value is 1. Okay, capital K into minus x into e power of minus lambda x by lambda, okay, plus 1 by lambda into, now we need to integrate e power of minus lambda x by minus lambda. Okay, limits are 0 to infinity is equal to 1. Now apply the limits. In order to apply the limits, replace x with infinity. As x approaches to infinity, limit of x into e power of minus lambda x approaches to 0. Okay, therefore its value is 0 by lambda 0. Okay, similarly 1 by lambda into e power of minus lambda x, lambda into infinity minus infinity. Here also, as x approaches to infinity, e power of minus infinity also approaches, e power of minus lambda x also approaches to 0. Its value is also 0. Okay, therefore 0 plus 0 minus, now we will replace x with 0. 0 into e power of minus lambda into 0 by g, lambda is 0, plus replace x with 0, e power of 0. E power of 0 means 1 by lambda into lambda square, minus into 0 to 1. Therefore capital K into 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 0 plus minus to minus plus 1 by lambda square is equal to 1, which leads to K is equal to lambda square. K is lambda square. Therefore PDF is f of x is equal to lambda square x into e power of minus lambda x. If x is greater than or equal to 0, lambda is greater than 0, and 0 otherwise. Okay, now we need to find mean. We have already found out K. Now we need to find mean. Okay, mean is given by mean is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. This is the formula to find out mean. Okay, but we need to separate this integration about 0, that is from minus infinity to 0, x into f of x dx plus 0 to infinity x into f of x dx. But in this area 0 to minus infinity, the function f will become 0. Therefore total this integration will become 0. Therefore 0 plus 0 to infinity. In this interval, that is whenever x is greater than 0, f of x is defined as lambda square into x into e power of minus lambda x dx. Okay, here lambda square is constant, 0 to infinity x into x, x square e power of minus lambda x dx. Okay, now we need to apply integration by parts formula, UV form. Here u is x square, derivative of e power of minus lambda, integration of e power of minus lambda x, e power of minus lambda x by minus lambda minus integration e power of minus lambda x by minus lambda derivative of x square 2x dx. Okay, limits are 0 to infinity. Therefore lambda square into x square e power of minus lambda x by minus lambda. Okay, separate this limits to both of these expressions, 0 to infinity. Okay, minus into minus plus integral 0 to infinity. Here constant is 1 by lambda, 2 is also constant, therefore 2 by lambda x into e power of minus lambda x dx. Okay, now apply the limits. If we apply x in if we replace x with minus infinity, as x tends to infinity, x square into e power of minus lambda x will approaches to 0, therefore this value is 0. 0 minus, if we replace x with 0, it is also 0. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 plus 2 by lambda into, here integration of 0 to infinity x into e power of minus lambda x dx. We have already find out this value. Integral 0 to infinity x into e power of minus lambda x. Okay, its value is lambda square. Its value is given by lambda square. We have already found it. Yes, lambda square. Therefore replace this one with lambda square in this expression, that is lambda square, 1 by lambda square. Okay, this value is we have already evaluated it, and its value is given by 1 by lambda square. 1 by lambda square, therefore 1 by lambda square, therefore 2 by 2 into lambda square by lambda cube, which is given by 2 by lambda, 2 by lambda. Therefore mean is equal to 2 by lambda. Therefore k value was found, mean was found, and we need to find variance. Okay, now variance, we have to find variance. Now variance formula is it is also denoted by e of x. Variance is given by e of x square minus e of x whole square. In order to find out the variance, we need to find out e of x square. E of x square is given by integral 0 to infinity x square f of x dx. Okay, that is integral with limit 0 to infinity x square lambda square x into e power of minus lambda x dx. Now lambda square is constant, integral 0 to infinity x cube, x square into x cube e power of minus lambda x dx. Now we need to use UV form, integration by first form. Okay, in this manner we have to assume one function as u. Let us assume x cube as u, that is x cube into integral value of e power of minus lambda x, e power of minus lambda x by minus lambda minus of integral e power of minus lambda x by minus lambda. Derivative of x cube is 3x square dx, and limits are 0 to infinity. Okay, now lambda square x cube e power of minus lambda x by minus lambda, limits are 0 to infinity, minus into minus plus, 3 is constant, 3 by lambda is also constant. Okay, limits are 0 to infinity, x square e power of minus lambda x dx. Okay, now apply the limits. If we, as x approaches to infinity, x cube e power of minus lambda x approaches to 0, therefore this value becomes 0, minus, if we replace x with 0, it will also become 0. It is 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, plus 3 by lambda. We have already find this value. Okay, this value is given by integral with limit 0 to infinity x square into e power of minus lambda x. This value, after evaluation, we got it as 2 by lambda cube, 2 by lambda cube, 2 by lambda cube. Okay, this value, this integral value is 2 by lambda cube. Therefore directly replace it, 2 by lambda cube. Okay, now 3 into 2, 0 plus 3 into 2, 6 lambda square by lambda cube into lambda power of 4, that is 6 by lambda square. 6 by lambda square is the 6 by lambda square is e of x square. Now we need to find out variance. Variance is given by e of x square minus e of x whole square. Okay, variance is given by e of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x square is 6 by lambda square, 6 by lambda square minus e of x whole square. Here e of x is given by 2 by lambda. Okay, therefore 2 by lambda whole square, that is 6 by lambda square minus 4 by lambda square, that is 2 by lambda square. Therefore variance is 2 by lambda square. Therefore mean is 2 by lambda, variance is 2 by lambda square. Now I am giving this problem for you as an exercise. Okay, try yourself. The problem is, if the probability density function of a random variable is defined by f of x is equal to k into 1 minus x square within this interval 0 less than x less than 1 and 0 elsewhere, find the value of capital K and probabilities of a random variable will take on a value between 0.1 and 0.2 greater than 0.5, and we need you have also need to find out mean, variance. Okay.